So what advice can I give somebody looking to start trading indices? Whether you are looking to start trading the DAX, it's now called ger40. Whether you're trading the ftse, the UK 100, the US 30, the nas100, Australian 200, there are lots. For example, let's go through and see what my broker has on offer. So this is what my broker actually has on offer. By the way, if you are new on this channel, please consider subscribing so that you do not miss future videos like this video. That's the only thing that I ever ask you to do. Everything you get from me, you get for free, including information, forex robots, indicators, books. By the way, if you're looking for forex indicators, books, strategies and stuff like that, visit the links in the description box below and see if you cannot find what you are looking for. Okay, so going back to the video, this is what you can actually trade with my broker. There is Australian 200 index, there is Euro 50 cash, there is France 40, there is the DAX German 40, there is the Hong Kong 50, Italian 40, German 225, Netherlands 25, Spanish 35. I don't know the nicknames for some of these indices, so if you know them, please leave the names in the comment section below. Then there's the Swiss 20, there's the UK 100, basically this should be the ftse 100. There's US 100 cash, which is basically the nas100. Then there's the US 30, then you also have the US 500, the S&P 500. So these are the indices that you can actually trade with my broker. Now, somebody asked me if I have any tips when it comes to trading these indices. What you need to actually do, take it from me, what you actually need to do in order to succeed with these indices, what I advise people is not to overwhelm yourself. Don't overwhelm yourself. I've seen people try to trade US 30, US 100, UK 100, German 40, at least they are the most popular ones, at the same time. You cannot. What you need, my advice, is you master one thing at one time, because you cannot trade all of these pairs, all of these assets. What you need is to actually decide on one thing. Go through, pick a chart, pick one. With my broker, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 indices that you can actually trade. My advice is pick one. Pick one that suits your kind of trading, or one that you happen to like, and just focus on that one index for the next month. Just one. Whether you find your friends posting about US 500, or your friends are posting about US 30, or they are making money with nas100, if you have chosen German 40, just stick with it. Choose one thing that you are going to be doing day by day, one session, one thing every day. When that thing does not work out, maybe for a whole month or for the next 2 months, then you can try another index. That's the first thing. Don't try to just double around all these indices randomly. Trust me, that's a recipe for losing money. So instead of going with US 30, I would advise that you start with probably German 40 or UK 100 or nas100. US 30, if you do not do your analysis properly, a slight move against you, well, it depends with how much you have in your account, but it can send you crying to your bed. That's how it moves. So what you want to do is to try with something that's more tameable. I'll say ger40 or UK 100. NAS 100, yeah, it's volatile, but it's okay. US 500 cash, it's you can trade it with relative safety. So what you want to do is pick that one thing and choose a session. For example, we are going to see a lot of volatility at the time when these markets open, the time when German 40, when the DAX index, when the German stock exchange, the DAX, when it opens. I don't know what time it opens in your time zone, in your country. It's something that you need to discover. Just look at what time does German 40 open in your country. You are probably most likely to get a lot of volatility during that market open. And you're probably going to get a lot of volatility during for example, myself, I'm in South Africa. Around 8:30 and 9 o'clock in the morning, that's when the London session opens. The London Stock Exchange opens around that time. So that's where you start seeing a lot of volatility for about an hour. So you need to approach the markets with that mentality. Choose one thing, one session, one time that you are just trading these indices. And go through the history of the indices. Go through your charts. Let's put UK 100 there and just see. So what you want to do is actually to go through the history of the index and see if there are any patterns that stand out for you. Let's go to lower time frames. Are there any patterns that actually stand out for you? Just pick up that one pattern, that one move, and master it. So you're choosing one index, one trading session, one move, and only one gap in the market, probably only during market open. That's how you are going to master indices. Don't jump from one index to the next, and you are just trading them randomly. These things are volatile and sometimes you can lose a lot of money.